data %sign and press enter. You then want to click on the Fortnite game, then saved, then config, then Windows client, and now you want to right click on the game user settings config file, click properties, and in here you want to untick the read only box. After doing that, close it down, go to the game user settings config file again, right click on it and click edit. Then in here you want to press Ctrl and H at the same time and the replace tool should appear. In the replace tool you want to type in the desired resolution that you want to play. So for me, I'm going to be playing my all-time favorite stretched resolution, 1444 by 1080. You guys don't have to play that if you don't want to. You can play 1080 by 1080 if you want, or anything. Just put in your desired res in that box, and then after you've done that, press replace all. Then you want to close down the replace tool and save this config file by clicking file, then save. And once you guys have gone ahead and saved it, you want to close it down, right click back on the game user settings config file again, and now you want to go into the properties and re-tick that read only box, the one that we did untick earlier. You want to re-tick that right now. Make sure guys to click apply and OK as well. Then after doing that, you want to head back onto your desktop, right click on that and open your NVIDIA control panel. In here you want to go to your resolutions tab and check to see if your desired resolution is on this list. If it isn't, don't worry, all you have to do is make a custom one. To set up a custom res, just click on 1920 by 1080 and click customize. Then you want to click create resolution and type in your desired resolution into this box. For me, I'll replace the 1920 with my desired res, that's 1444. Then click test and OK, and after that it will then appear as a custom res in your resolutions tab. You then want to select that custom res and click apply, and then you're good to go. You want to open up Fortnite and you should have stretched resolution. It will be the old bad stretched resolution, so don't worry, that is fine. That's exactly what we want, as now we can turn that old crappy stretched resolution into the old stretched resolution that we all used to love, just by doing one simple trick. To do the trick, you want to do the following steps as quickly as possible. You want to click creative, click launch, then quickly go to the battle pass, select the agents and click the top Brutus agent. This should then cue a cutscene, and when that cutscene is playing, it should boot you into a creative game. Then once you are in that creative game, you'll see that you now have the old stretched resolution. It's as easy as that. It's possible that it might not work guys, but what it means is you haven't done the trick fast enough. It's super important that you do this trick when the cutscene is playing, and that will depend on what hard drive you have. Like if you're like me and you have an SSD drive which is like super fast, the cutscene itself will load in pretty fast, so you have to do this trick as quick as possible. If you're on a hard drive, I'm pretty sure that creative does take a little while longer to load on that, so if you do have that, you should be able to do it with ease. And yeah, once you've done that guys, you can go ahead and enjoy the old stretched resolution. I would only recommend playing it in creative. It does work in all the game modes, but to be honest, I wouldn't risk it as you are pretty much at an advantage. Like for me, I'm just using it in